Don't mind. No. It's a bit rickety to me. They all look a bit rickety to me. They also seem to be jumbled up, don't they, all these helicopters in here? Huh? Yeah. Quite a posh one with all like leather seats and a decanter there. A Westland. This is the Queen's Flight helicopters. So you see these quite a lot. And then we'll go and see what it looks like inside. Oops. See how long those rotors are. Quite a large one, and then you've got all your weaponry there. And then we'll swing around. And we'll look at this really huge helicopter over here. The size of this one here. It's absolutely massive. Massive helicopter. So this is part of the old Queen's Flight. It's one that Prince Philip and Charles quite often used to fly. That's a really big one again, and now there's like a passenger one over here. Olympic.